I'm not sure why I'm wearing a hat indoors right now. But let's start the video. Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys a cool app I've been using now for a couple months now that I've been keeping a secret, but maybe you guys have seen it maybe in like past YouTube videos that I made. It's a cool app called App Raven. So App Raven is I guess you could kind of say a new app, but for me, it's one of my go-to apps now whenever I use my iPhone. And I usually open this app once a day around at 8 p.m. at night because that's when I think everybody's finished uploading whatever apps or sharing stuff throughout the day. So what App Raven is pretty much an app where you could find some cool, interesting apps. Sometimes there's new apps or sometimes there's some old apps that maybe you forgot about and you want to go check them out because maybe they've been recently updated with some new features and everything. So how App Raven works is pretty simple. So the app is free to download. You could go download it right now in the App Store. And what's cool is that it's in sections, this app. So there's the top section, which is sale of the day. So it shows you the top 30 apps that are on sale right now. Some of them are free to download. They used to be paid for, and then they're free maybe for the day. So you could go download some cool, interesting games, and most of them they are games, but sometimes they are some cool productivity apps as well. And then there's the popular section. So the popular section, of course, is where these apps have been maybe they've been found by other people and they shared it in this app, and then these apps are getting the most downloads right now. And so that's why they're the top chart right now. And so yeah, it's just a really cool app for finding some new cool popular apps right here and checking out what everybody is downloading on their phones. And of course you have the on sale section. So in the on sale section here, you of course have the apps that of course are on sale or free to download as well. And so yeah, there's some cool interesting apps here that you can find on sale. And yeah, you'll probably have some cool interesting apps that you maybe get that you maybe save some money when you're buying these apps. And then of course you have the new release section here as well. So these are the apps that are released. So 2 days ago, pretty much. Not every day this section is updated, but I like to check it. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not updated. And of course the recently updated apps. So of course these are the apps that have been recently updated with some new features and everything that you can go check out, which is some really cool things. So maybe you deleted an app that you used to have on your phone. You could go check here what's new with the app before you download it. And if it's interesting to you, then you could go and download the app onto your phone and try it out again. And then of course you have the top paid and top free, which is nothing new. Of course you have that in the App Store. So you could go check in the App Store the top free games or top free apps, top paid games, top paid apps. So yeah, it's a cool section to have right there. But my favorite thing about this app is not just these sections here that you can find, is the user collection thing here. So in the user collection is these are people who are curating apps depending on whatever they're into and also depending on what they need these apps to do. So you have here the useful apps for developer coders here. So these are applications that will help people develop apps and use programming languages on the iPhone. So right here. And my favorite collection right here is the Mavericks app list. This person has been updating his list almost every single day with some cool, interesting apps. Some of them are new apps that I never heard of, and then some of them are apps I already have on my iPhone and been playing with them for a while now. But yeah, these this person has been updating it pretty much on point, and he's always updating the app list in his section here. So yeah, it's my go-to to check out his list of what apps maybe he found today and what apps he's sharing so I could go and check them out and maybe make a video for you guys. So yeah, it's a cool app that I highly recommend if you are into having the latest apps and just want to find some new cool interesting apps. Then I highly recommend you guys go check out App Raven, and the app usually does get updated pretty much a lot. So the developer behind this app does upload it I mean, it does update it. So like we recently got dark mode here. He does some great UI changes because before it used to be a little bit not that beautiful, this app. But now it's really nice. It's stable, a little bit more stable. And so that's really nice to see that this app is getting the love that it needs, because it is my go-to app. I open it, like I said, once a day, usually at night, to check out what some cool new interesting apps that I think might be interesting for a cool interesting video. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. You could go subscribe if you guys want to check out some more cool, interesting apps and some cool tech. Then I will see you guys later. Peace.